What's going on, everybody? So today I'm doing the highly requested Robert Pattinson from the movie Tenet, which I haven't seen yet, but his hair looks pretty awesome. So I'm going to do the haircut on the mannequin, follow along, and I'll break it down at the end. right, everyone, so let's break down the haircut. So I didn't see the movie yet, but I saw a lot of the trailers and enough footage to see that, you know, he had some pretty good layers going on through here. So you have to make sure that when you're getting this cut, or if you want this, that all of this is really, really layered in through here. But as you can see, we still have some length. So I didn't want to use any sort of, you know, clippers or do a really, really tight haircut down through here. I wanted to leave a little bit of volume and length in through here. So I cut it right to about here. So everything kind of comes to this one point to get that strong weight line. And then I went back and layered everything. And even throughout the back here, this all works in and blends into the back. So it's pretty much a traditional layered haircut, I'd say, to where, you know, this is about 3.5 to 4 inches long throughout the back. And then as we go towards the other side and through here, same concept, where this is all blended in and through here, connected. I wanted to create some layers, and so for everybody who wants to know, like, what are layers, it's really just removing weight throughout the top and a haircut and a technique that follows the head shape, right? So meaning this section here doesn't fall all the way down and through here, that would be more one length. The layering is what gives it that, you know, movement in through here. As you can see, I run my fingers through it, and it's got all that texture, and he's known for his hair, Robert. You know, he's got great, great hair, and it's nice to see in this movie, he's got a bit of length in through here and something to work with, which is really, really nice. I mean, he's got that hair. If you watch a lot of his, you know, movies, he just, you know, it's one of those things where you just mess it up, and it's like, that's the look. That's kind of what Robert's hair has always been known for, just very, very messy and somewhat disheveled, but still looking pieced together and very nice. So then as far as styling, I used my Tidal Wave as the pre-styler just to get a little bit of texture in there and to get like a good solid foundation. And then I went in with my cream clay. Now, a lot of times I will mention that you want to apply this while it's still cream in the hair. For this, and a great little tip with this product is, if you do work it into your hands fully, it's gonna have a very matte, chalky type texture to it, which is good for really just adding some separation and some texture into the hair with a matte kind of finish and nothing too strong. So I wanted to keep that matte look and create some texture in the style, and that's why I used that product and the particular way that I used it. And here is the finished result. Also, you may be noticing the camera setup and the way it looks is a little bit different. I'm filming on one of my Cine lenses on a Canon C200. I've got tens of thousands of dollars worth of camera gear just sitting around collecting dust. So I said, I got to start using this. So let me know if you see a difference in the quality of the footage. And that's pretty much it. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.